Hello, you're looking at a Freightliner step van that was an ex-FedEx vehicle, and it has a Cummins diesel in it, aluminum body, and the motor has a noise in it. So I want you to listen to it in a minute, see what you think. Tires are good, it drives well, it's a really a nice running vehicle. Just went through an inspection, 21012, which at that time it had 292 on it, and now has 297. So that was only 5,000 miles ago. It is a diesel. Now back here in the back, I will measure this and have it be in the listing. But it's all aluminum back here. These shelves fold up or they unscrew. Take them out if you don't want them in here. But the body's in good shape. There's no leaks or anything. This was in service right up till we got it. So, give you an idea. The door is in good shape. It does lock also. Well, let me crank it up. We can listen to the motor. After it warms up, it doesn't have a whole lot of oil pressure, and I suspect that has something to do with the noise. Funny thing is, when you rev it up, it seems to go away. And it has a lot of oil pressure then. So that's the way we're selling it. We've had a lot of these FedEx vehicles, both sprinters and step vans, and our buyers have been happy with them. Their maintenance program is pretty good. This windshield has a molding missing around the outside. It's not cracked or anything, but it may have just a slight leak in the front when it rains hard. That would not get the cargo wet, but it would get the driver wet. So I'm probably going to have to putty that up. We'll go for a quick ride here. Probably close this door. Now this is a no reserve auction, so after the first bid is made, it will be sold. Please do not bid unless you have your finances together. You'll need $250 right at the end of the auction, and then the balance is due within 7 days. Now you don't have to pick it up for 30 days, but the balance is due within 7 days. That light flashing says door ajar. go. But when you're driving, it has plenty of oil pressure. It seems like when it comes to a stop that it drops down and makes more of the noise. I'll take it up to a higher speed again. It's easy to drive and not real rattly. It's rolling along pretty good. So if you're thinking about shipping, there's a website called uship.com. It's the letter U and ship.com. You'll get your best shipping price there. Or I have a friend who has a larger tow truck, and he will tow it for $125 an hour. So you live 2 hours away, and you're talking $250. Well, it's actually up and back. So 2 hours away would be about $500. So look what this type of vehicle sells for. A lot of money usually, even with the 297,000 miles. Still got plenty of power, and like I said, they were using it regularly. Nothing ever goes wrong with the bodies. It's mainly the motor and the transmission. I'm going to slow down here, and there you go. See, the oil pressure drops back. I have another diesel truck that I drive regularly, and at an idle, it does always drop back. So, not running hot or anything. So, if you're looking for a real worker here, I'll put the measurement in the listing, the size of the bed. So buy this Freightliner aluminum step body Utilimaster.